So in the previous video, we have seen a basic C program, which you can see on the screen. So we have seen that the basics of C, like has developed C and in which year it was developed, we have seen. So the founder of C is Dennis Ritchie, and he has developed C language at Bell Labs in 1972. So in this program, we have just printed hello, and there is only a single statement present within the main function. So the first statement is include stdio.h, which is nothing but preprocessor directive. So these are called preprocessor directives because they are processed before the execution of main function or main program. So before the program executes, these lines are processed, and the header files whichever are mentioned here are linked to our main program or main function so that it can make use of the predefined functions present in this header file. Then is the main function, which is starting here and which contains only a single statement. So statement here means statement is nothing but these are instructions which are given to computer to perform some task. So here the instruction which we are giving is we are asking the computer to print hello on the output screen. So we are just writing a predefined function printf with a string in the parenthesis. So printf is supposed to print whatever string is passed to it on the output screen. So it prints hello on the output screen. So computer program is nothing but these are list of instructions which are given to computer in a programming language which is human understandable. And then when you compile it, it is converted to machine language, and also if any errors are present in your program are checked, and in the compile log if any warnings or errors those are given, and then we can execute the program. The file will be ready for execution. So it converts your C source file to executable file after compiling and linking of your program, and then upon running we get the output. So this is how we write C program using C language. Now let's see how to have multiple statements. So here we have taken only a single statement. So if you want multiple statements like hello I am writing, and then also I want to write welcome. So every statement in C program must end with semicolon. So instructions which are given in this main function or any other user defined functions must be ended with semicolon. So this is one statement, this is another statement which prints welcome. So these are two different statements. First statement is separated with this second statement using this semicolon. So we use always semicolon to end the statement. If you don't end it, if you don't write this semicolon, and if you then compile or try to run, so you can see we got expected semicolon before printf. So this type of error you will be getting in your program. So you need to end every statement before starting any other statement. So now if I see the output, first compile it and then run it. If I see output, you can see hello and welcome are printed in same line. But you want to print it in different line, so then you can use a escape sequence /n. So escape sequence in detail we will be covering in some other video. So here /n is used for moving the cursor to new line. So now if I write /n in along with this string, then if I compile now and then run, then I get welcome in the next line. So this is how multiple statements are used in a C program. So thank you for watching the video, and we will be seeing all the topics of C programming along with DSA. So this series will contain C programming along with DSA concepts. So please do subscribe channel and stay updated with C concepts along with DSA and Also, we will be covering Java and C++ with DSA on this channel. So please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.